Okay. Okay, we're back. Body armor is also really good. I love how we haven't seen that guy. It's kind of like he just left after the other stream ended. But I have a feeling he's still here. But God, I feel like shit. How much you want to bet he's been typing with one hand? If you get what I mean. Last card pack. I didn't get, like, any, like... Huh, we just went down to 1 viewer. Even though we were just at 2. I wonder if he just left. Shit, it ripped. Hi, Dylan. Yeah, I know, right? LMFAO. Yeah, and he left because we called him out on it. This was like $50. Let me... SR, SSR, PTR. And I don't know what that is. I don't know what the orange means. Oh, maybe series is... Dude, I have such a bad headache. Oh, my head. Alright. Man, I really wanted a Comey or a Micah. Comey would have been really nice. So would Micah. Micah's from Blend S. Blend S is awesome. It doesn't have a dub, but it's really good. Yeah. Nah, I'm fine with it. Really, I just find it fun when I get people like that. Because I get to mess with them. Like, I know you, like, if you get a bully, you should just, like, not interact with them. But I find interacting with them in the opposite way of, like, messing with them instead of letting them mess with you is, like, extremely fun. Because, especially when they get angry back, like, they trying to make you angry, but you just stay calm and just fire back at them, and they get angry. That's fun. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have a feeling he was just virtue signaling and projecting, and he's actually a perv. I lost count, but it doesn't matter. Like, he seemed like the type of person who would be a total perv. Didn't he? He just had that attitude about him. He just seemed off. Squishy, is that you? Hi, Squish. Come on. Come on, Bubba's. Buddy. I love you, Bubba's. Hey, good boy. Lives in basement vibes. You right. You right. I'll be right back. Bruh, my head hurts so bad. Also, how freaking dare he to claim that I'm faking Tourette's? What an absolute dick move. I was really hoping for once in my life, I was hoping that my Tourette's would come out. But for some reason, since I've been sick, my Tourette's kind of haven't, done anything, which I'm kind of happy about, because if I was ticking and snorting with the way my throat and head is right now, I think my head would probably explode. Like, I am in extreme pain right now. But like I said, how dare he claim that I don't have Tourette's? Bruh. Alright, I'll see if I can make you mod. Mod user. There. Oh my god, my head. Oh, Dylan, I want to die. I want you guys to kill me. If I die, I want it to be by the hand of a friend or by the hand of someone trying to kill a friend and I jump in front to save my friend. And then that friend proceeds to kick the ass, or I proceed to kick the ass before I die of the person that tried to kill my friend. Like a second wind type of bullshit. But also, don't ban that one guy, because I think banning them is like they want that. They want that. But I want to find other ways to do that. I want to just, because it's fun. It's both fun to just mess with them, and it is just, it makes it interesting. Also, I was trying to report him, but that's how the second stream I did ended, was because it just brought me back to the home screen. I was trying to report him for, like, I was trying to see what I could report him for. Just, especially, the only reason I went to do that was after he said that he supports Putin, that he's pro-Putin. That's when I was like, no, that was way too much. Like, that was a fucked up thing to say. That was too far for me. I cannot wait to get the pink box of this. Also, I ordered a Kana Kamui desk mat. Like, you know, like the mouse pad type things. This is like the full desk layout mouse pad type thing. It's awesome. The only reason I did it was because I got an offer for it. Like, there was a special offer that no one had taken yet, that they, like, discounted it a lot for. And I was like, oh, alright. I was like, I'll take it. But I feel awful right now. Let's see. I think I'll open these two some other time. I think this time I will open... Actually, don't I have some down here? Let me see. Where is it? Dude, I sound awful. And all of my body is just extremely hot. But I don't want it to be hot in this way. I want my body to be hot in a different way. but that'll never happen. Am I right, Dylan? Am I right? Am I right? Where the hell is my I had like a Detective Pikachu Pokemon card pack like on this bookshelf somewhere, and now it's not here. Where? Where is it? Is there one under my bed? Did it get moved under my bed? I don't see it. What the hell? What the hell? I can't even do that voice because my voice is so screwed up. Here's a Hoopa VMAX. I can open that. Actually, I think I might have already opened it. Oh, this is a Cali Rex one that I already opened. But I don't know if I've opened this Hoopa GX one or VMAX. No, I haven't. Let's open this one. I'm not what? Not hot? Yeah, you're right. Thanks for agreeing with me. There we go. I got one, opened it. Nope. You should always cut away from yourself, unlike what I just did. There. Dylan, I actually feel awful. I hate how awful I feel. I don't want to feel like this. I forgot how sucky getting sick was. Like, this sickness is worse than when I got COVID. COVID was milder than this. Oh, God. Alright. So, how's everything going over there, Dylan? Shelter. Caterpie. Drillbur. Shinx. Buneary. Growlithe. Azumarill. Energy. Clawitzer. I get that. I get that. Then again, life hasn't taken me anywhere. My back hurts so bad. Oh shit. Oh, Dylan, I wanna die. Oh, that's cool. Oh, they have it on the phone now? Yo, they have this on the phone now. That's cool. Ow, 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 ow. Oh my god, I just got a really sharp pain in my head. Oh god. Fuck. I'm so happy I took Advil cold and sinus just a minute ago. I can already. My head is super hot. Like the game. Super hot. I really want to get Super Hot VR. I've played the, demo, multiple times, and it's so fun. I've always wanted to play it. I really hope my Oreos sell for 2,000 like I want it to. Oh god, Dylan. I was gonna say there should be a card under here. Oh, Dylan. Put me out of my misery. Mercy me. Timple. Cutie fly. Yeah, I know. Why is Cutie Fly psychic? Applin. Sableye. Nickit. Hollow. Slack off. Entei. Yo. Fire Energy. Golduck. This Golduck literally has as much health as the Entei. My dude. Boost Shake. And Ribombee. You know, I remember wanting to get into Pokemon trading card game, the Pokemon trading card game forever, and then it got, but I never got into it fully. I wanted to be actually going to trading card game places, tournaments and stuff. And now it's just so complicated. They've made the card game so complicated with all the rules and the new items and VMAX and GMAX and HBO Max that it's just too complicated for me now. Shelmet. Drillbur. Bunnelby. Mudkip, Caterpie, Simisear. Ow, ow, ow. Head pain, head pain, head pain. Acelgor. Psychic Energy. Chili, Silent, and Crest. Nice. Nice. Dude, my head hurts so bad. Oh yeah, no. I do too, but like I always wanted to get into it because I always thought it'd be super fun. And it always seemed super fun. Like I used to always enter like these in on the account. Holy shit, someone could enter these in. Someone could steal my cards. Dylan, don't do it. Now I'm scared that someone could steal my card packs. But, like, I haven't done it in so long. Like, I used to enter these online. Clefairy, Mini Metronome. That could be super useful if you have if your opponent has a Pokemon that could, like, that has a super strong move. Ow, my head. Oh, fuck. Now I'm scared. Now I almost don't want to upload this as a VOD. I might actually not. Wow, that's a lot of damage. Really? But I might actually not upload this as a VOD right away. I might make it private. Alistair! Well, that's all those cards. Aww. Alright. Be safe, Dylan. Pray that I don't still feel sick tomorrow. Because we have a concert to go to. See you, man. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for hanging out, man. See ya. Bye. Bye. I'm gonna stop streaming too. I think this was good enough. I feel satisfied with this. I'll probably do more of this, like, sometime soon. Open the rest of my Pokemon cards. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day. Hey, thanks for coming, Dylan. You're awesome. See you, bro. Bye, everyone. Oh, my head hurts like shit. Bye. I'm gonna end stream now. See you guys later. Bye.